Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, of course you already know by the title, it's my February Ipsy bag. I'm just going to try the little items that are in here and tell you my thoughts. So let's get right into this. The first thing that I want to talk about, it's the bag. Of course, since it's February, Valentine's, they made it a Valentine's theme. Would I keep it? Yeah, because I just like the color and like the lips. It's just adorable.
It's semi-cute. No.
My niece is here. My niece Jayla, she's here. She said it's semi-cute. For some reason, I really like how this looks right here. The little sign that says Ipsy on it to open the bag. Looks cute for some reason to me. So we're gonna talk about the products now. The first product I'm going to grab, since it's not even in the bag because it's too big for the bag, is this brush right here. It's a brush from Faha. Hopefully I'm saying it right. Look at how beautiful this looks. Oh my god. This is so gorgeous. I'm just like, it's just so beautiful. I just love how this looks. This brush is versatile. You can use this for setting powder, bronzer, and blush. It says this brush has super soft bristles that blend color smoothly and evenly. It really does feel soft. Bronzer, yes, I can see, and blush. I'm not gonna try this out right now because I want to do everything else first. But I'm excited for this brush. My niece is going to take out one of the items. She's picking them. Okay, before she picks them, I did get a card and it has each item right here. It tells you like a little brief description on it and a tip on how to use it.
So it's 4 items. I don't pick one.
The item that she picked out is from Kiko Professional. It says Be Bright Illuminating Concealer. I actually wanted to try out Kiko because I heard this brand from Kathleen Lights and I was intrigued, but I never bought any products. So I'm kind of excited to use this, but it's concealer. I have a hard time picking out my concealer, so I'm kind of nervous. Let's do this. Before applying this, I'm going to apply primer. The No Problem Primer right here. Be Bright Illuminating Concealer in Light. Koki means elephant in Korean, which symbolizes boldness and beauty, and this brand really delivers on both. This medium to full coverage formula is loaded with illuminating pigments to camouflage dark circles, plus it won't crease and lasts from morning to night. Okay, morning to night? I'm not gonna use this morning to night. It's not even morning right now. Blend this with my finger. It looks freaking awesome. I honestly really like how this looks. It's a little bit like lighter than my skin, just a tad bit, but it matches. It's really good. I like this. I honestly want to purchase this now. It's not dry. It gives a luminous look, like a moisturized look, so I am really liking it. It looks healthy. I was really scared about this, but now no more. I'm really loving this. So I already talked about this item. This is Fahara brush. This is the powder brush in 50F. This is really good to set powders, bronzer, and blush. I'm going to use this brush with my bronzer and blush. Oh yes. Very good. Look what she does. So. Now I'm going in with blush. This brush, oh my gosh, I am just blown away. To use bronzer and blush, you need this brush. It feels so good.
So the next item in the bag, so there's 3 more items,
is from Pureless. It says coconut oil plus coffee, silky body butter, smooths, hydrates, nourishes, and deeply moisturizes all skin types. It feels good.
This moisturizes perfectly.
Oh, okay. See, when you squirt it on your hand, you only smell the coconut. But now that it's blending out,
you can smell.
You smell the coffee more though. It's not a bad scent, but yeah. I'm just not a coffee person. It's not. But it does hydrate my skin, and it feels good. Next item, my niece is going to pick out.
There's 2 more items.
Okay, this little thing right here. Meech and Mia pressed eyeshadow in caramel. It says M&M pressed.
Oh, that's amazing. The M&M. Oh.
Right?
The packaging is simple, but it's cute.
Yeah, it's like chic.
Yeah,
the packaging is
cute.
chic, and this is the shadow. This is a golden. This honey gold eyeshadow is beyond versatile. Wear it on your lids, in the corner of your eyes, and brow bone to brighten up any look. Hopefully you can see how it looks. And now I'm just gonna use my ring finger and just plop it on. And no, I did not put any concealer on my lids. I feel like if you apply concealer or eye primer first, this will pop more. Even though I didn't apply any concealer, I like how it looks because it's subtle. So if you're trying to do a simple look, this will look so adorable. It's just easy. Just apply with your finger and just pack it on. Keep it moving. This item I am liking. It's simple, quick, and easy to use. So no complaints there.
So this is the last item in the bag. Okay. This thing.
So this is an eyeliner. Hopefully I'm saying the company's name right. It's called Dulce. It's a fierce and fine graphic pen. Point blank and eyeliner. It's a waterproof eyeliner. Holy crap. It won't smear or smudge. This eyeliner, to do a wing, I cannot do it. Because every single time I was trying to actually create the wing, it was getting dried in the tip of it. I feel like this eyeliner is only good to apply like a line, but to do a wing, I don't feel like it's good because you would be there like, hello, ink, go down to the tip of it. This item is okay to me. It's not the best thing. So there's no more items in the bag. Like nothing at all. My overall thoughts on these items. This is the best item in this bag. This and the concealer. These are the two items that I just love. I'm so excited. It just makes me want to do makeup even more with this brush and just put this concealer on. I just love these two. Now, this body butter, I love how it makes my hands feel, but the smell, I'm not so excited about. This eyeshadow, I like it. When you're trying to do a makeup look that's just, trying to put together, but you don't want to do so much, this is the eyeshadow. Just apply some on your finger and apply it on your eyelid and you're good to go. The item that I struggled with, oh my god, is this eyeliner. And the only reason is because the ink wasn't going to the tip of the point. To do a wing, it was so hard because the tip of it was drying up and I had to keep on going like that so the ink could go to the point. I feel like this liner to do a wing is a no, but just to do a line on your lid, it's a yes. So I am done with this video. I hope this video was enjoyable and it was helpful as well. If you have Ipsy, please let me know down below which items you received, which ones you like, which ones you dislike. If you don't receive Ipsy and you want to, I will leave the link down below in my description bar, so please check that out. And yeah, I want to thank my niece Jayla for helping me.
You're welcome.
Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please
give it a thumbs up
and
hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell.
Yes. So yeah guys, I'll see you next time. Have a wonderful day and bye.
Bye.
This makes me want to do my makeup more.
Hey, Samantha Cena Gold Squad.